Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to create curved edges on Wix website. Follow these easy steps to learn how to create a curved edge for Wix website like this. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and go to the section or strip where you want to add curved edge. Now first of all, select the section or strip, and once you select it, here you will see this shape dividers icon. All you have to need is just click on shape dividers, and once the shape dividers pop-up opened here, if you want to add curved edge at the bottom of the section, then here select bottom. Now here you will find bunch of different shapes. You can select any of them. To add a curved edge, select whips, and here as you can see the curved edge add date, or you can select these layered ellipse, and now click on customize design, and from here you will be able to adjust or customize the curve shape or edge. So you can adjust the shape opacity using this slider, and you can also increase or decrease the shape height like this, and you can also change horizontal offset like this, as you can see the result. And if you want, you can enable or disable layer effect. So currently, as you can see, layer effects enable. I'm going to disable to show you how it's look like. Okay, now click on invert, and here you can see the layer or edge inverted. And now if you want to change these edge or wave color, go to this color section, and from here you will be able to select a different color. Okay, now I'm going to selecting these waves curve edge and clicking on customize design. And now same way you can increase or decrease height, you can change horizontal offset, and here we can see number of repeats. You can increase waves amounts by using this slider. So I'm adding only 2 repeats or 2 waves, and here we can see the result. Okay, now let's see how to add a curve edge at the top of the section. So again, select the section and again click on shape dividers add date and go to top section, and the same way you can select this curve edge and go to customize design, and let's select a different color, and boom, as you can see it's added successfully. So this is how we can add curve edge in Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.